Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're going to look at our farm transformation so far. Okay, so a little bit of backstory here. We moved back to this farm like 4 or 5 years ago, and there hasn't been any livestock on this farm for quite a while, and it doesn't take long for a farm to go from beautiful lush grass, closer, to nothing but briars. So we've spent a lot of time here lately doing a lot of brush hogging and trying to get some of this knocked down. This is an area we haven't got to yet, but I don't know if you can really see up in there, but it's like it gets really thick in some areas. But we're gonna go look at some areas we've really been working on lately, and we're pretty happy with what they've turned out to be so far, and we're going to continue working. And we've been on quarantine for 2 weeks now almost, so spent a lot of time working on some tractors and an old tractor that we have that we finally got back and running. I think it'd be perfect for my son to have his first go at bush hogging on his own, so we're going to hopefully get to that today.
Hey Tex. Look at this. Another one? Ooh, is that good boy? Here, Blue. You want one?
Get out, dude. Get out.
Shoot up. Yes, Scarlet, I know. Here you go. There you go. All right, no more. No more.
I got nothing. I'm innocent.
Tex.
All right, and this is Noah on the little tractor we've been rebuilding. It's a Harry Ferguson T20, really old tractor, and but they was built like tanks. This is the little tractor that we've been working on, and we've done a little bush hogging with it here on this area. Noah spent a lot of time dragging the fields and stuff like that. He's never ran a bush hog though by himself. You nervous or scared?
I'm a little bit nervous.
A little nervous. That's all right. We're going to teach you how to do it. So take a look at this though. This green grass. I don't know if you guys can see it way back up through there. But yeah, this was all really brushy and really weedy. And hopefully we can keep it knocked down, get this going good, keep it knocked down, and let that grass choke it out. That's the hopes anyhow. So let's get started. So this is the field we're getting ready to bush hog right now. I'm getting ready, doing a couple rounds, make sure everything's working right. I'm getting ready to put my son Noah on the tractor with me. And he's not green, he's drove this before. This is his first time bush hogging, so I didn't just throw him out to the woods.
And Dusty getting in my shot.
Just want to show you a little bit what we're doing on this back pasture. You see all them little yellow pods all out through there? Them are little stumps that we've cut off, and they're all thorn trees. One of the most annoying daggum trees that can grow. They're everywhere. And we got to come back and cut them off real flush, real nice. And this is just literally brush removed from the field and saplings. That's not from the woods. That's straight from the fields and the edges and stuff where it's just slowly creeped its way out. So normally, I'm the one that bush hogs and stuff like that. And Noah follows me around the side by side and picks up all the big rocks and the big branches and stuff. Now he's bush hogging, I'm having to do this. So now I'm kind of thinking maybe I shouldn't be showing him how to bush hog. Hello, lovely. So here's the tractor. There's the bush hog. So the pins on the drawbar broke loose. It's probably old and rusted. I didn't really look close, but the bush hog came loose from the tractor. So now we'll go find some pins and get that back together. So it's getting dark. Let's take a look at the afterwards. This is it. A little brush hogging, knock it down, and looking a lot better. So when we finish bush hogging, we'll let it grow to about 10-12 inches and stuff. Then we'll hit it again, try to knock it down about 4 inches or so, and let that grass keep choking it out. And we've got some seed down. Maybe put some more down, some fertilizer here real soon, but it's looking good. Okay, so we're finally done bush hogging. We got the horses fed and watered and everything buttoned up for the night. So kind of a late night. Kids worked really hard today, so I think we're gonna let them go out and get some pizza. We ain't told them yet, so maybe we'll go get some pizza here in a second. Okay, we're heading home. Let's see. What are we gonna eat for supper tonight, Mommy?
I don't know.
What do the kids want?
What do you guys want for dinner?
Pizza.
I think they know, huh?
Me and Bartholomew
No,
will
they
eat
shouldn't.
pizza if we want to.
My
Chips
daughter
and
is
dip.
weird.
Chips and dip.
Chips and How about we
Jasper
go...
wants a sippy.
Oh, Jasper wants sippy.
Noah wants chips and dip, and Dusty wants pizza. So
I don't want to cook.
and
Chips and
I
dip.
don't want to wait on cooking either. It's already late. I
8
mean, we
o'clock.
work.
Yay,
I tell you,
chips and
whenever daylight changes, sometimes it takes a while to forget that. Oh, the sun's still up. You're still working. Oh crap, we've already worked like 16 hours today. You feel it, but you don't really notice it because it takes so long to get dark. That's why my wife loves me though, because I just keep going and going and working.
That's right.
And going. Okay, so
Hard
you
working
guys want some
man.
pizza?
Yeah, chips
All right.
and dip.
Pizza.
Well, you guys done a good job today. You guys worked hard, so we're gonna go to Casey's and get some carry-out pizza because it's coronavirus. Carry out only.
Carry out only.
All right.
Huh?
Well, thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it. Don't forget to
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like
and leave a comment down below.
And hit the bell.
Thank you guys. Bye.